Okay, January 14th. They've done some backfilling on 2 properties at the end of Lagoon. And they're up to 56-17 almost on Lagoon. Wall has a little bit of a wiggle in it. I hope they can straighten that out with the rods. It would be nice. But you can see some people have gained 5 to 6 feet in their backyard. Close look at how the wall is constructed. Looks like a tie back. A couple panels, and then they got a bolt. Let's see if they got another tie back up here. It's a bolt. Of course, this is just the sidewall, so probably different construction out there. Pile of dirt ready to come in. And they have been trimming the tops. So it's looking good now.